Book Land, Johnny B here, Tailpipe Consignments. Just giving you a quick little walk around of another cool auction entry. It's going to be one of the featured vehicles. It's a 1963 Chevy C10, two-wheel drive. It's actually a three-owner car. This gentleman got it from his dad. His dad drove this truck since, I believe, the early 80s. And then the son restored it. And absolutely a beautiful restoration. He had front disc brakes added, so it has power disc brakes, vintage air conditioning. This is the original color code. So it almost has like a pewter color inside. It's absolutely gorgeous. And something that's kind of cool. Has the original key. Forgive my dirty fingers. Has the original key. Has a 350 engine in it with a turbo 350 transmission, automatic. Vintage air conditioning. I think the fuzzy dice stay. Kind of neat. Sounds really good. Now she's been sitting in the garage. We have not washed it, so this is kind of a pure video of how it's been sitting the past couple of years. A little dusty. Has a true dual exhaust. See underneath, all restored. Very nicely done. Let's see if I can get you a better shot. That's how the hardware is supposed to look. And it does have a little pad in the back. A lot of people forget that. Bed's been redone. I would say this girl is ready to go anywhere you want to take it. Let's see if I can pop the hood real quick. A little dusty. She'll be all prettied up before the auction. Enter JC. Power brakes. And I believe it's mated to, I think it's got 355 gears in the rear end. But here's another example of some of the cool cars we got coming out for the Heroes and Hot Rods. Classic car auction happening June 26th in Highfill, Arkansas at the Holland Barn Venue. This will be on the catalog. You can bid online. You can see the catalog. It'll be up pretty soon at tailpipeevents.com. And if you want to consign a vehicle, it's only $100 to consign it. And if it hits the number that you like and it sells, then it's a 7% commission on the hammer price. And of that 7% commission, half of it is going to go to the Heroes and Hot Rods charities. So this is just a super cool auction. It's going to be a car show, classic car auction, veteran celebration, arts and crafts fair, all kinds of cool stuff happening at the Holland Barn Venue. And we at Tailpipe Consignments and Events have something very special planning. We're going to be making an announcement shortly. But we've got something that is going to be cool coming at you. We'll let you know shortly. But here's your chance to bid on this beautiful truck. And the price of new trucks nowadays, I'll take this one any day. Gorgeous 63. If you have any questions, give me a call. 480-797. I'm sorry, 480-762-8009. Confusing my phone numbers there. I start drooling when I look at a truck like this. Everybody, thanks for looking. Peace out.